Here I have Huawei Ascend Y520 and let me show you how to insert here SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here, keep holding power button, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to remove your back cover. So let me do it by using the cavity at the left edge of the device right here. Let's use your nail finger, as simple as that, and now you have access to your battery. So let's remove your battery by using the edge of the back cover right here. Let's remove your battery, and now you can insert 3 cards, 1 micro SD. So let me start by using a micro SD. Here I have micro SD with the characteristic edge right here, and you can put this card in that position right here and press it to the end. Just it. Now let's insert the SIM card. As you can see, you can insert SIM card here or here. Let me just use the slot right here. So that's why I should remove my back cover battery. Let's just push your card in that position with the characteristic edge right here. Let me just prepare my card. Excellent. Let's push it right here, and that's it. Now you can close your back cover and insert back the battery. So let's just do it. Close the back cover protection and press power key. So let's keep holding power key. Huawei Ascend is switching on. Excellent. So now you can unlock your device and let's check if your card works properly. Here we've got the SIM card information. Let me tap close, but it's a good sign. Let me tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here I have settings. Let's choose SIM management. As you can see, you've got the SIM card added, so it's a good sign. Your SIM is working perfectly. Let's choose storage under device tab, and you can use your SD card, so you can use your external storage. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.